Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again, and here we have part 34 of 101 Ways to Be Happy on a Daily Basis. Yes, so 34 parts in, and this one is all about opening a savings account. So, depends on what kind of person you are, if you're a saver or a spender. I know it's pretty simplistic of how people's styles are of managing money, but a lot of people are either savers, where they save up a bunch of money, or they're spenders, where they spend too much money. I would say that, for example, a lot of people in China save a little too much money. A lot of people in the US spend too much money. You have a mix in some European countries. It really comes down to your locale and of course your lifestyle, the amount of money you make. But yeah, I would say that you need to be able to save the proper amounts. In my life, even being kind of an American, I've always been on the front of saving and investing too much money. I really don't like to spend money on a lot of things. I like to, manage it well, create passive income, save, invest. And I do a little too much of that, so it's been kind of a process to learn how to spend and how to spend the right amount and when it's a good idea, when it's not. It's just been kind of a learning process of edging myself kind of into being able to spend and do that kind of stuff. But overall, I am a saver kind of person. I would imagine, though, that this is really for people who are spenders, who are just, spending too much money and who don't have, like, almost anything in savings or, much of anything. And opening a savings account, kind of a dedication to your future, your ability to be happy, and having savings as a, method for facing hazards and various things like that. So that's always key, I would say, but it's also something that's clearly going to be difficult for some people. It's never been something I've personally had to do anything with, so I'm probably not kind of the guy to go to on that kind of thing. But I don't know if you guys want some more videos on this kind of stuff. I can shoot some finance videos, but overall, I don't know. Like, this happiness thing, I think is really working here, and I think that really opening a savings account for a lot of people, good idea. Go for it. You need such a small balance, and yeah, it'll make you happier to know that you're making a directional change towards saving more and towards being able to do that. And of course, your savings, more than your checking to some degree, it's going to earn a very slight increase in interest rate depending on where you're at and what kind of bank you're using and various things like that. It's also going to be better for other people because, that's how banks work. It's a fractional banking system, but I can always explain that in an econ video, I suppose. So anywho, I'll see you guys next time with our next video, part 35. So yeah, I'm Walt. I'll see you then.